Welcome back. Every workspace needs a front door, and LeanProjax gives you 4 of them. In this lesson, passwords. One-click sign-in with Google or Apple. Passwordless email links. And what to do on the day you forget your password entirely. Here's the sign-in page again. At the top, email and password. That's door number 1 and you've already used it. Doors 2 and 3. Continue with Google or continue with Apple. 1 click and no password to remember. We won't click these today. They simply hand you over to Google or Apple and bring you straight back. Signed in. Door number 4 is the interesting one. No password at all. Down here, sign in with email link. I'll type the address and click email me a sign-in link. And there's the confirmation. If the address is registered, a link is on its way. Notice it expires. For safety. This is what that link does. Straight into the workspace. No password typed. Same account, same projects. If you like keeping your password manager closed, this is your door. Now for the day it all goes wrong and the password is simply gone. Under the password field, click Forgot Password. Type your email. And email me a reset link. One single-use link, and it expires in 30 minutes. The link opens this page. Choose a new password. Now, watch what happens if I pick the kind of password people actually pick. Something short and famous. I'll type it in both fields. And set new password. Look at that. That password has appeared in a known data breach. LeanProjax quietly checked it against a database of leaked passwords and refused it. So let's do it properly. Something long and unique to this account. Confirm it and set. The password is updated. And we're back at sign-in with the green confirmation. And let's prove it works. The email address goes in first, then the brand new password, fresh from the reset. And sign in. Straight back into the workspace, like nothing ever happened. 4 doors, 1 workspace. In the next lesson, we add a second lock to that front door, 2-factor authentication in about 3 minutes. See you there.